Hey everyone, let's make tonight unforgettable with a brand new date night dance.
Can't sustain this. Secondhand smoke, it's a thriller. Oh, it's gonna kill us, but I'm no quitter, no. Secondhand smoke, our little secret. Oh, we're gonna keep it, 'cause it's all we know. Got that Bonnie and Clyde kind of love. Ride or die, got me high kind of love.
This one's called Nevada. Let's show you what it looks like. We're going to dance this for you.
Can't escape it. They call us outrageous. Can't sustain this. Secondhand smoke, it's a thriller. Oh, it's gonna kill us, but I'm no quitter, no. Secondhand smoke, our little secret. Oh, we're gonna keep it, 'cause it's all we know. Got that Bonnie and Clyde kind of love. Ride or die, got me high kind of love. Share a heart, share a mind kind of love. Never gotta ask why kind of love. It's contagious. Can't escape it. They call us outrageous. Can't sustain this, no. Secondhand smoke, it's a thriller. Oh, it's gonna kill us, but I'm no quitter, no. Secondhand smoke, our little secret. Oh, we're gonna keep it, 'cause it's all we know. Secondhand smoke, it's a thriller. Oh, it's gonna kill us, but I'm no quitter, no. Secondhand smoke, our little secret. Oh, we're gonna keep it.
Hope you enjoyed that. I'm Aldon, and this is my gorgeous wife, Carmi. This dance is called Nevada. It's made up of just 2 cool steps. So easy to learn, fun to dance, and perfect for couples. The steps are basic twist and echo step. Let's break it down together. Please watch till the end. We've come up with some top tips that are coming up to make this look and feel amazing on the dance floor. Step 1 is the basic twist. Leads, let's start off with you guys. So, as always, starting with your left leg, and remember to get there, we're going to shift weight into the right hip. This lets you step out effortlessly and it doesn't create any stumbling effect. So, we're going to step out with the left. 1. Notice legs are just hip distance apart. That is 1. Then I'm going to do a little knee bend and I'm going to lift and twist on 2. Now key, have a look. My chest is at 45 degrees. 2. Now all I'm going to do is return exactly the same way that I came in. On 3, I'm bringing my chest directly forward again. My heel is down and I close on 4. So one more time. 1 and lift and twist. 2. Untwist 3, return 4. Let me show you from this angle. So here we go, starting on the left, stepping out 1. Here's a little bend, and 2, return 3, and close 4. Done. Followers, let's get into your footwork. Okay, so starting on the right side, so shift weight into the left hip again so it can come out really easily. So again, stepping out 1. Legs hip distance apart. Little bend on the and then bring it up for 2. Now notice my weight is perfectly balanced on my supporting leg, which is a key point. Now go back exactly the same way that you came in. Here's 3, and you're going to close on 4. Now you just repeat it again. So stepping 1 and 2, 3, close 4. Let me show you from this angle. So here we go. So stepping out on the right, 1, hip distance apart, and 2. Please try and brush your partner slightly with your leg, and 2. Stepping back 3, closing 4. Let me demonstrate this with Carmi so you can see it in partner. So here we go. So in our closed hold, it would look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. That takes care of step 1. Now, step 2 is the echo step. And let's get into the teaching again. So we're going to start with the leads footwork, and again starting on the left side, so shifting the weight into the right hip. all you're going to do is rock back on the left. Rock back on the left for 1. Rock forward on the right for 2. And then on 3, it's a replacement step, a small replacement step, and 4, another replacement step, and that brings you straight back to the position that you started. Then you just do it again. So 1, rock back, rock forward 2, replacement step 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Small steps is absolutely key. Less is more. Okay, let's have a look at it from this angle. So stepping back, so shifting the weight into the right hip, stepping back on 1, there it is. And rocking forward 2, small replacement 3 and 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Followers. Exactly the same, just the mirror image. Take your time with this one. Don't rush it. Okay, so let's go through the footwork here. So, stepping forward on the right. So shifting weight into the left hip, just a small step forward. My heel is just a little bit in front of my toe. Have a look. So rocking forward on 1. That's my rock forward on 1. I'm rocking back on 2. Replacement step 3, replacement step 4, and again, rocking forward 1, rocking back 2, 3, and 4. Let's have a look at it from this angle. So, here we go. So, rocking forward on 1, rocking back 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Can we demonstrate that?
Yes. That would be great.
So here we go. Let's have a look at it from this angle. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And from this angle, here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Stick around. After the next step, I'll share our top tips to really make this dance flow. Whether you're watching solo or with your partner, join us for a follow along. We will practice the 2 steps combined. They are the basic twist and echo step.
Can't escape it. They call us outrageous. Can't sustain this. Second-hand smoke, it's a thriller. Oh, it's gonna kill us, but I'm no quitter, no. Second-hand smoke, our little secret. Oh, we're gonna keep it, 'cause it's all we know. Got that Bonnie and Clyde kind of love. Ride or die, got me high kind of love. Share a heart, share a mind kind of love. Never gotta ask why kind of love. It's contagious. Can't escape it. They call us outrageous. Can't sustain this, no. Second-hand smoke, it's a thriller. Oh, it's gonna kill us, but I'm no quitter, no. Second-hand smoke, our little secret. Oh, we're gonna keep it, 'cause it's all we know. Second-hand smoke, it's a thriller. Oh, it's gonna kill us, but I'm no quitter, no. Second-hand smoke, our little secret. Oh, we're gonna keep it, 'cause it's all we know.
Okay, now for the top tips to really level up your dancing. For the basic twist, balance on your supporting leg, and remember, less is more. For the echo step, leads and follows, remember, avoid big marching or stomping steps on 3 and 4, and 7 and 8. Followers, keep your steps small, and remember your angles. Carmi?
If you're loving this, don't forget to follow us and like and subscribe. There's a new date night dance coming your way every week. So if you're just getting started, please check out our website, DanceSystemsOnline.com. It's packed with easy to follow mini masterclasses, all taught by us, designed for real couples to learn together right at home. You'll find our full series for wedding first dances, and now our date night dance series is here too. Same easy to learn format, same beautiful steps, designed just for couples. LD?
Thanks for joining us. Whether it's your first dance, a date night, or just for fun, let's dance Nevada one more time. Keep dancing together, keep growing together. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.
Shameless. Secondhand smoke, it's a thriller. Oh, it's gonna kill us, but I'm no quitter, no. Secondhand smoke, our little secret. Oh, we're gonna keep it, 'cause it's all we know. Got that Bonnie and Clyde kind of love. Ride or die, got me high kind of love. Share a heart, share a mind kind of love. Never gotta ask why kind of love. It's contagious, can't escape it. They call us outrageous.